So for a little backstory, Suspicious Crow was randomly given a PS2 by a teacher, and he wanted to dismantle it to make a quick little unboxing video about it, and give the game that was hopefully inside it to the dodo farmer, an avid PS2 player. And then, once we were done dismantling it, we're going to give it to NJ Chills, who really wanted the PS2. So let's crack this thing open.
Welcome back, guys, to dissecting a PS2 while NJ Chills gets really...
PlayStation 2 stuff. I want it so bad.
Well, NJ Chills cries in the background.
I am mad.
This one?
I think it's right. Dude, save these for when putting them back on.
Yeah, can you get it? Oh, this one's missing a screw.
Fam, get a smaller screw that doesn't have a screw.
Let me see.
It's got a really crappy 8 megabyte memory card.
Medium is wide. Maybe.
Dude.
Yes.
Okay.
I don't think this is working.
I'm gonna try. I'm so happy it's not open. You know what? The thing is, they might have made it so they are special screws only can open them.
Nah.
Yeah, we need
no,
an
that's
hour.
normal screw.
No, that's not normal.
Is
It's
normal.
missing one piece.
That is normal.
It's not normal.
Ryan, you're just blind.
That looks. That's like a normal.
Here, let's...
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is, dude.
It's literally normal.
It has
That has four sides.
It's a little bit frayed or whatever it's
You
called.
can't
but
fit it
still.
in. There's no
Probably,
way.
maybe because it isn't big enough.
This is a really scuffed unboxing.
A couple of dumbasses trying to open this.
Oh, Ryan, you're getting it.
See?
We probably the last one over. Because it's been in like the special area.
Yeah, why don't you give a backstory on where we actually got this?
Alright, so we got this for free.
Don't pry that open.
I'm not. I'm just messing with the vents. Get better ventilation. Jordan, get an angle on this.
This is really important.
Don't. That's not gonna like damage your fucking playthrough of Sonic Unleashed again. Okay,
He just doesn't want it to look bad as well.
What is happening?
We're dissecting it.
I want to play!
Ian.
Don't.
You guys relax.
Guys, chill.
It's a PS. NJ, chill out. No, do not take that.
It's
It's
the
our
only
memory.
storage we have, which is 8 megabytes.
You can probably buy that for like 4 cents.
Bro,
online.
you're fucking picking the bitch apart like a fucking vulture anyway. Why can't I take it? Okay. A.
Where are the screws?
Okay.
Nathaniel's getting so chilly.
What's happening with
This whole video is basically bloopers.
Literally my
Here.
childhood.
You gotta bring
Is
it
this
over.
for your YouTube channel?
My old PS2 broke.
Gotta get that cinematic.
Jordan, you're gonna get the.
They're literally trying to take out the game.
You're gonna.
Big chungus.
If there's Shrek Super Slime inside this game. No, Ryan, you missed a screw.
Oh yeah. That
Big
was,
chungus.
I think that one's kind of ruined.
Why do two have long screws?
Oh. No, you don't flip it off. Dig in there.
I will never do another.
You heard it here first. NJ Chills will not be uploading if this breaks.
Yeah, this
is
screw is,
Oh, we forgot. There's some other ones in here too.
this screw is stripped.
Well, that's your fault. We're just gonna have to pry it off.
Whose fault is it? Looks like we have to destroy it to get
It was already stripped. I couldn't fit it in.
Looks like we have to destroy it.
Don't listen, dude.
Oh, the PS2.
Nathan, can you get us a angle?
Like PlayStation logos.
Give me a light.
Need a light.
Yeah.
Don't pull it. Don't pry them off. You know what? I'm gonna put it like this. It's easier to do.
This is for the content, right? We're gonna make this money
I don't
back.
give a shit.
We're gonna make this money back, Nathaniel. Don't worry, okay?
this PS2.
Don't worry, we'll upload this to your channel so you can get ad revenue too.
I don't want to add revenue. I have 51
Then you can buy a
subscribers.
PS2.
Put any shows on here.
Okay,
Yeah, let's
Could be
carve a
this.
picture.
I need to get the screw out because it's too short to pop out.
Okay, well, I needed that to.
Or just turn it up.
You got
He's
Santa.
literally this.
You're just mutilating the case.
Yeah, I'm writing NJ Chills on it because it's rightfully his. We got him, boys. Let's see, Ryan.
Alright, now crack it open.
Right.
Shake it off.
Ryan,
I'm
you're like,
shaking the
dude, don't
screw
break
off.
this thing.
I'm shaking it.
Hit it
How
on
will
the
that
disc.
break it?
Here, let's see.
Scratching
Because there's a
it will
disc
break.
in it.
Oh yes, the disc. I'm so worried about the disc.
Yes.
I still have to get. I still have to get the last screw out.
Doesn't matter.
Yes.
And that screw deadass has rat mold in it.
Rat mold.
Rat mold.
Yeah.
What is the
Make sure to put that part in.
Freaking decomposed.
The best NJ Chill quotes will say.
Oh my
Ooh, I don't like that sound.
Doesn't matter.
That's a good sound. That means the shell is coming off.
It's here. Ryan.
there, bro.
I know there's another screw there.
Ryan, where are you
That's a
taking this thing?
professional nobody.
I'm not gonna get it.
Ryan, you ruined it. You broke it, Ryan.
I put it back in.
Okay, well, since you're the one unboxing it, it's all the blame is on you when it breaks, okay?
That screw strip. You can't unscrew it. If we were going to have to take it off, we would have to rip it off.
Let NJ Chills take care of it.
Okay, we need a
Here, let me see.
And it's not gonna work. It's just
NG Chill.
try it then. Try it.
Yeah, clap. And that one just doesn't seem to stop unscrewing.
Pull it.
There we go.
Oh my god. I was just looking at this case.
There we go. Okay, put it on the table. It's an unboxing, not a Ryan holds the thing.
It needs to be in the video.
This right here needs to be right. Holy shit.
Oh, I don't like.
This reminds me of egg unboxing.
Egg unboxing? Oh, here, we got it.
This just makes me cringe.
I know, it's the point of the bit. Oh, look, a set.
It should be on the cringy videos.
Shut up, bro. Oh, there we go, boys. Guys, we're
There's no way I'm
We got this ancient treasure from a pyramid in Egypt.
yes. I've scoured.
Oh yeah, we have to take.
Oh yes. Good idea, Tony.
Wait, no,
wait, don't. You're gonna
right from here.
You're gonna rip all the buttons.
I don't
You're gonna
really
rip all
care.
these off.
I want it. You don't care because you don't want it.
Yeah, I know.
You're gonna rip all these buttons off.
Who needs buttons? I mean,
Okay,
it's
whose
a
PS2
Whose PS2 is it, Ryan?
His. It's gonna be his after you finish destroying it.
Dismantling. I'm just prying open. Somebody get a flashlight to see if there's a disc.
He's got it.
There's a disc in there.
There is.
There we go.
Perfect.
We got him, boys.
That's a.
That's
Oh,
a-
I don't like that
That
sound.
was a good sound.
Let's
That was
pull
a
it all
terrible
up.
sound.
That means it's working.
I never want to hear
Yeah.
it.
Oh. Let's do a game.
Yes.
Move
Shrek
your hands.
Super Slam,
Come on.
Come on.
Oh my God! Yes.
It's like
SmackDown versus Raw 2008. This is a win.
Is that not the game?
This is actually a win. Oh my God!
Oh,
There was
never mind.
scratched.
Put it back in.
No, this is a win. I'm keeping this. You
There's
guys.
no way this is working.
All right, let's continue the rest of the.
No, we're not.
Here, I
taking-
got
No way
you.
this is
Well,
working.
you said you're taking the disc out.
No, come on. I'm not done,
You're
dude.
taking the disc out. You
Dude.
said. You're taking the disc
Give
out.
me the PS.
I'm running away now.
Guys,
That's a win.
thanks for watching, guys.
Dissect it for content.
What else are you supposed to do with it, dude? It's a PS2.
want it!
We opened up the PS2. Guess what game we found inside? No. WWE SmackDown versus Raw 2008.
I love you so much. You don't even know how much I love you.
Show the game. Show the game.
Show us the game.
Oh, look at this scratch.
Show us
Yeah.
Show us the game.
If this didn't work, I'm literally gonna cry. But thank you so much.
It will
This is the
work.
one I wanted. I asked her. I love you. Give me a hug. Give me a hug.
Oh, how wholesome.
It's so scratchy. There's no way this is gonna work.
Oh, no, because you put
You
the.
put this in the video. Cut it right now.
Have fun in class.
Alright, we're going for the NJ Chills post interview now.
Ruin everything.
I never destroyed anything.
One, it's scratched off. He is insistent.
Oh, so this is yours?
I'm just writing NJ.
Well, it's his now. It's his now.
Alright, as you can see,
Your
we're
special edition NJ Chills PS2.
the NJ on the bottom for special edition NJ
I'm gonna
Chills.
sell this on eBay saying it has a 2080 Ti.
You're right.
Yeah.
5,000.
The J is not enough.
Fuck, bro. Yeah.
How can you see the J on the thing?
Just
Relax!
Carbon.
How does it look? Looks great.
There's this case that it's the size of a PS4 and you fit.
Oh my fucking no, I'm done.
It didn't break.
I'm not trying to do it.
Alright, so we just gave away the PS4 to Nathaniel.
I have
Oh, PS2, sorry. He's very thankful, as you can see.
yeah, he's very happy.
This is amazing.
This class is getting.